if the speakers are not working on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, and in Settings, just tap on Notifications. And under the Notification settings, you will find the section of Do Not Disturb. Now, if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your tablet, just disable it. Now just press the volume up button on your tablet, and from here just increase the volume on your tablet. Now if it is low, just increase it from here. Then tap on the three dots on the volume bar. Now if any of these bars are disabled, just increase them from here. Just like that. And after you do that, then just check if this fixes your issue or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Connections. Now from here, just check if Bluetooth is enabled or not. If Bluetooth is enabled, just disable it. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your tablet might connect to an external speaker or to your Bluetooth headphones, and that is why sound might not be coming out of the speakers of your tablet. And after you do that, then just scroll down and tap on Software Update. From here, just tap on Check for New Update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your tablet, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now, after you do that, then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your tablet. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Just like that. Now just keep pressing and holding the power button and the volume down button until the screen goes black and the Samsung logo appears on the screen. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of these buttons. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with the speakers on your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can solve the speaker is not working on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.